Hi, today we'll be talking about the relationship between addition and subtraction. Let's get started. So subtraction is basically taking away. So if we have an equation, for example, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, this little line here is called a minus sign, and the answer is called a difference. Realize that in subtraction, order matters. 3 minus 1 is not equal to 1 minus 3. So let's do an example. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now how can you visualize this? Let's say I have 8 balls, okay? And I take away 3 of your balls, then you only have 5 balls left, okay? Now realize though, if I did 5 minus 8, I would get negative 3, because if I had 5 balls, and you took away 8, well then I owe you 3 balls, right? Because I only have 5. Okay, so realize that the commutative property does not hold in subtraction. So now let's talk about the relationship between addition and subtraction. They're basically opposites, and they undo each other. So they are called inverse operations. So, for example, we have 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and this is our subtraction, but we could have also done 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, which is addition. So this is a great example of the relationship between additions and subtraction. They both use the same numbers, but they're able, they just switch it up, but they're different signs and procedures. Now let's talk about fact families quickly. 2, 7, and 9 are called fact families. Here's why. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, and by the commutative property, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. But realize you can also rearrange it to get 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, and 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So basically, these three numbers are able to form these 4 interrelated equations, which is pretty cool. So now let's do 2 examples, and we're supposed to find out whether these are fact families or not. So let's start with 1. So we have 2, 5, and 7. Okay, so let's do 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. And then 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And then 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. And 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So yes, this is a fact family. Now let's do 1, 3, and 5. So we have 1, 3, and 5. So we have 1 plus 3 is not equal to 5, which means that 3 plus 1 is not equal to 5. We also have that 5 minus 3 is not equal to 1, and 5 minus 1 is not equal to 3. So this is not a fact family. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.